animating objects. As well as animating text, you can apply animation to objects either to emphasize a concept or just to grab the audience's attention. Just be aware, however, not to overdo the animation in a presentation. Too much animation can be distracting. You want your audience to go away remembering the content of your presentation, not the whiz-bang animation. So we will animate an object now. We will insert first an object. So let's choose one of the shapes, for example an arrow. So we will drag the arrow here, and we need to animate this object. So we will go to animation. Now you see we have the entrance animation, and you see the live preview. So let's imagine that we will insert fly in. Once you click on the animation, you will see the effect options. So we'll make it from left. Okay, so you see the live preview. Then here, have a look. Now nothing. We need to click first, so I click, then it appears. Good. Now you can control the start of the animation, starts on click or with previous animated objects, or after previous animated objects. Also you can change the duration to increase the speed or decrease the speed. We'll make it here like 2, and we try. So one more time, click, presentation mode, nothing appeared, so we click, then it moves slowly from the left after we click. Good. Now let's try another object. I will insert a new shape. Let's think about the heart, and we draw the heart here. So we move the heart and format the object. Okay, red heart. Good. Now I need to animate this object too. So animation, and let's think about swivel. Good. And then this will happen after previous. Now we have 2 objects. Let's have a look and see what will happen. So first we click to preview, then present the first one, second one is moving. I hope this presentation gives you a brief about animation and how to control different objects in a PowerPoint presentation. Thank you for your time.